Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from SONY Xperia VII to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and then allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, select Send at the bottom left corner of SONY and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on SONY, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. Then select Send next to Selected at the bottom, and if you decided to transfer any app, OK in white pop-up. Now tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and hit Receive button over here. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close our ads, and as you can see, after that my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!